So hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Sumurak Luna here for another toy review. So now guys, eto na nga. So ang i-review natin is from the Marvel Select manufactured by Diamond Select Toys, which is Ghost Rider figure. So guys, just an FYI, this was originally released in the year 2007, and this is a classic comic version of Johnny Blaze, and this is a 7-inch action figure. Now this was sculpted by Steve Kiwas. So correct me if I'm wrong na lang guys kung tama pagkaka-pronounce ko ha. And this one guys is an awesome comic action figure. So nowadays, especially now 2026, jumpstart this year, wala na tayo masyadong makikitang bago from Marvel Select or by Diamond Select Toys dahil nag-stop na sila mag-produce ng mga ganitong action figure. Okay. So itong action figure rin na to is after 2007 was pre-released again in 2017 and 2018. All right. And I'm not quite sure as well if at around 2021 or 2024 kung nag pre-release ulit ang Diamond Select. But eto guys, one of the most iconic hero, antagonist, anti-hero on the Marvel Universe is this awesome Ghost Rider, which is Johnny Blaze. So ito nga guys, napakaganda niya guys. So unahin muna natin ang base. Alright, kung napanood nyo ang toy unboxing ko, oops, sorry. Napakaganda niya. So, yun nga lang guys. Sad to say, I need to let go for the clamshell. Pero yung cardboard and everything, yan, ikikip natin yan. Ilalagay natin yan doon sa Ghost Rider collection natin as a backdrop. So, ito siya guys. Base nito guys is a plastic PVC din. Kung makikita nyo, napakaganda ng details. So, wash over. Kita nyo naman. And yung mga flame effect. Itong mga flame effect na to is translucent. A mix of translucent and plastic. Guys, ang ganda oh. Tingnan nyo, ganda. Pati yung sa stone, yung pagka-weathered nyo. Napakaganda guys. Yan. Sulit na sulit. Kung ikaw ay isang Ghost Rider collector, ito is a must in your collection. Medyo pricey siya, sa totoo lang. Especially napaka-rare na ang mga Diamond Select nowadays. Bibihira na mga ibang collector na nagre-release. Then makikita nyo ito. Andito yung trademark ng Marvel Diamond Select Toys. Ayan, DST. To make it an authentic. Medyo light lang siya, pero maganda. Sulit na sulit guys. Ano naman yung mga burned hands. Ganda o translucent effects. Lalong-lalo pag natamaan ng ilaw to. Ganda guys. Ayan. Yan ang kasama niya, yung base. So, ang kasama lang na talaga is the it's not the manual but the disclaimer or part of the authenticity. Parang hindi naman authenticity card pero parang pamphlet. Yan. Ayan, Marvel licensed product from Diamond Select. So, dahil napaka-rare nito, ikikip na rin natin to dahil sulit. Ayan, makikita nyo pa yan. Then, the base lang talaga ang kasama and the action figure. So, kagaya na sinabi ko, iconic or comic classic Johnny Blaze na Ghost Rider. So, yung flame effect na nakita nyo kanina, hindi siya kasama dun sa package. Alright? So, isa sa mga flame effects ko dun from the Hot Toys na Ghost Rider. So, ayan guys. Ganda oh. Napaka-detailed. Napaka-angas. Lalong-lalo na yung translucent head sculpt niya. Ayan. Napakaganda guys. Very comic-like version. So, hindi siya makakapag 360 degrees. Sadly. Up and down lang, left and right. So, most of the hindi siya highly articulated guys. So, most likely, basic articulation lang siya. Lalong-lalo na sa hands. Ayan. Up and down. Then, hindi siya double jointed for the elbow. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Hanggang dyan lang ang maximum bend niya. Ayan. Rotatable 360 degrees for both left and right arm. Close fist sa right, then open palm sa left. Alright. Ayan lang siya. Hanggang ganyan lang. Can do 360 degrees both arms, pero napakaganit guys. Solid. Halatang hindi pa natanggal talaga sa clamshell. So yan nga guys, may hip rotation siya. Can do 360 degrees naman. Pero ingat-ingat na lang kayo kasi Diamond Select. Alam niyo naman, napakatagal na niya. Wala siyang bicep swivel or hip swivel. Okay. Gusto nyo, napaka-basic lang ang articulation. Can do up and down. Hindi na pwedeng i-move backward. Nagko-constrict dun sa buttocks for the articulation. Then, hindi siya double jointed knee. Okay. Ganyan lang siya. Simple bending. And for the feet, yep, up and down lang din guys. No bending of toes and no may konting ankle pivot pero napaka-minimal yan. Kung makikita nyo. Napaka-minimal lang. So, overall guys, napakaganda talaga nito. Napaka-iconic. Wala akong masabi. So, this is one of my bucket list noon na makakuha. Now, I got this. And, sorry guys, details pa lang guys. Napakaganda kung makikita nyo yung pagka-weathering and wash over ng mga shading for the shadows doon sa jacket. Leather-like. Ayan o. Sa buong jacket. Yun nga lang guys, blue siya kasi nga comic version ng Johnny Blaze. Napakaganda. Napakaangas. Then the silver buckle, oh, solid. Plus yung collar. Yun naman yung pagkakagawa dun sa collar, oh. Napakaangas talaga. Overall guys, for me, for the Diamond Select Toys na Ghost Rider, this is a 10 out of 10, no doubt about it. So, ayun na nga guys. Hope you enjoy this quick toy review of our Marvel Select by Diamond Select Toys. Action figure, a 7-inch action figure, the Ghost Rider. Ayan. Tuntua talaga ako pag may effect siya eh. So, ayun na nga guys. Please do like and follow my page on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or even on YouTube for more toy unboxing and toy review. So again, this is Sumurock Luna. Happy collecting and collect responsibly, guys. Buyers.